Good evening, Dr. Amit. Thank you for joining us in Pulse 2025.
Thank you.
So, just for a small introduction, you can begin with telling about your journey, what you have been practicing till date, how your journey in oncology space has been like till date.
Yeah. So I started my journey in 2005 as a senior residency in oncology. Then I been to Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute where my the training happened, then to multiple institutes. But over the period, I've seen that how the uh, things are changing. We are moving towards the precision oncology and talk about the medical oncology, talk about the drugs, talk about the radiation part. We are moving towards the precision oncology. But what a major change we have seen some diseases. Namely, the first disease where the target therapy came was the breast cancer, tamoxifen came. Then the second disease, which was a very deadly disease in the 90s, chronic myeloid leukemia. So where the expected survival was just 2.5 years to 3.5 years. But after the imatinib, around 85% of patients still surviving since 95. So this is the major advantage. And this is happening because we are knowing the genes. So that is what precision is important. So we are moving towards the genomics, knowing the DNA, knowing, and to some extent RNA. Probably in future we'll be knowing better about the RNA, and the new drugs will be created, generated, and discovered, which will change the outcome of the cancer patients. And though it is not only for the oncology, but I feel that neurology and other diseases, and this is a very upcoming precision in the treatment of all the diseases. So this is generally, and have seen breast cancer patient with the HER2 positivity. The patient used to survive 2 and 3 years maximum. So now you can see the cure rate has reached up to 70%. So this is what I have seen as in my journey through the oncology. What we were never expecting something with the expression of the PDL1 and the MMR. So the role of immunotherapy, what we were never expecting stage 4 colon cancer surviving or being cured. Now we are looking at those things and these are happening. So this journey is very important. So this precision, and we will be in future. I'm hoping, or I know that this will happen, that we will be more precise in the future.
Right. Thank you so much, doctor. And if there is any one interesting case that you would point out where precision oncology with CGP helped like change the entire game for the patient.
So, first case, the most important case, stage 4 disease of colon cancer.
Colon. Okay.
Never, you can never think of cure. Some of the first patient, one of the few first patients of colon cancer who came out to be MSI positive, and the immunotherapy was available at that time in 2017. And he had disease all spread in the body, young, around 50 years, 45 to 50 years. And he meets me even today. So that he meets me, and you were never expecting a patient with stage 4 disease, colon cancer, gone to the intestine with many obstructions, multiple obstructions. He underwent 2 surgeries. But when we checked MSI, it came out to be positive, and by chance at that moment we had this. Well, luckily, I'll say that fortunately we have immunotherapy at that moment, and somehow he was able to manage it. So he managed, and he's surviving till date, and he is off treatment for last 7-8 years.
Oh, very nice. That's nice. Lastly, doctor, your inputs also on technology. Like today, AI is coming up. It's a big thing. We are at 1Cell.Ai, right? How do you think AI is going to shift this entire game further, accelerate it further, rather?
So AI is definitely technology, upcoming technology. Things have changed. We have seen a lifestyle from the common sense to now the artificial intelligence, right? So it is improving. And but the what I have seen, the best use of AI is into the healthcare, rather into the social media and all, but into the healthcare is very important. And this is making us more towards the precision oncology. Many algos are there, which whether this treatment will work or this will not work. Sometimes we find a very good mutation, but further mutation they will not suggest that patient will respond or not. It will help us in getting more and more precision oncology, more and more predictive value and prognostic value. That is very important.
Thank you so much, doctor, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.